Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set up custom keyboard theme on your POCO F7. So first you have to open the settings and from here navigate to additional settings. Now go to languages and input and manage keyboards. Now select the Gboard and from here go to theme. And now you are able to customize your keyboard theme from this section. And if you want to set your custom image from your gallery, you have to click on this plus over here, and this is your gallery, and you can select a photo that you want. So let's take this one for example, and now you can pinch to scale, drag to move, of course, and you have to set the specific area of this image. So let's take this one and click next. And also you can adjust brightness of this keyboard by using this slider. So yeah, click done now, and now you can enable keyboarders like this. And also you can change the area of it and brightness by using this pencil over here. So now when it's done, just click apply over here, and now let's check, is it done? Yes, as you can see, I have the sorry, let's go here, and now as you can see, I have my custom image from my gallery as keyboard theme. So yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.